I thought today was going to be mostly taking pictures in the woods, and I've got a few, but it's actually turned out to be mostly taking pictures of a river. As you can hear, it's babbling around, and it just rips away through this gorge, and it's gorgeous. It's truly lovely. So I found another position just down here where we have this multiple falls with the kind of island trees there, and I'm shot low here. Made a boo-boo earlier in that the battery in the camera ran out, so went into the bag to get another one, and of course no, left that somewhere else. So out with the EM10 Mark III body and shooting this. On this I've got a 6-stop filter running on the front. I'm shooting 2 images here, and I'm going to focus stack these. So we've got this moss covered rock in the foreground just at the bottom of the frame, and then looking back into the falls, deliberately underexposed in the final edit. I really hope that you like this. So there's this beautiful set of falls just running up the valley in the gorge here. It's truly lovely. It's a simple framing for me. Let's just put this filter ring back on here because it fell off. I'm going to shoot it portrait. I'm going to keep the sky out of it because the canopy does thin a bit up there. I don't know yet whether I'm going to put an ND filter on this in order to slow the water down. I don't know what my exposure is yet. Still running on the EM10, and we've got a 12 to 40 2.8 Pro lens on here. Simple framing. We're just going to get that falls gently there, lower third, somewhere about there. Now I've got a clump of grass there. I think I'm just going to tilt up a touch, take that just out of frame, so we're really knocking that fall into the lower third now. Pull that there, but lock the head there. Now that's quite nice. We've got a silver birch or something straight ahead in frame there. We've got 2 other trees in frame on the other side. I can't get my finger in the frame. Up there we go. Interest in the lower bottom quarter. I quite like that. I'm going to frame up a bit more with that and see where we get. We've got f16 at a 15th of a second here, and that's saying that it's 2 stops underexposed. I'm going to shoot that. Let's see. We're focusing third into the frame, 2-second timer. See what that looks like. Now, has that frozen enough? Not quite enough for my liking. I might just stop that down a little more. So let's, you don't need f16 for sure. Let's slow the shutter right the way down No, I don't think I can do this without the filter, which I have in my pocket. So this is a Lee 6-stop. Let's take the filter carrier off. It's easier to put it in with the carrier off. Let's find a lens cloth in my other pocket. This, ooh, that's let's put that down. That's very uncomfortable. Dusty. Okay, so 1.6 at f22. And that's now saying a 30th of a second at f22. Well, sorry, 30 seconds at f22. We don't want f22. There's no need to push the lens that hard. We'll stay at f11. That tells us we get 5 seconds, and it's still able to focus because there's loads of light here, so I'm not going to put it into manual focus. 2-second timer. Bit of noise reduction processing, see what it comes up with in about that. Well, that is nice. Quite like that. Although I've just spotted some gnarly trees at the top left of frame, which I wouldn't mind. Oh, get in my pocket. Go on, try. There we go. Pocket. There we go. I wouldn't mind trying to see whether I can bring that in to shot a little more. Change my position a little. Come forward just a touch, and then tilt up again. Just a touch here, because I don't like this bit of grass creeping in at the bottom. Yeah, that's a bit better. 1 foot in the wet. Can we get those trees? Oh, I can get that tree better now. So come out. So we've got this tree. Let's just zoom all the way out. I'm not going to shoot with this sky, but this tree where it gets really bendy at the top here. I like that. We're going to try and keep that in. I'm going to zoom into just until we lose the sky off that corner. There's a touch of it there. We've zoomed in maybe a touch too much. I don't know. Maybe there. Yeah. Kind of got mid-ground, foreground and background now, but the sky's crumbling in up there. Let's run this off. Let's zoom back to that position. 2.5 seconds at f11. Darken that a little bit. We'll really underexpose that and see. That's nice too. Now I think this is going to be the last shot of the day. You see the sun's coming back out as well now, and it's nearly 6 o'clock, so we've been here for some time, and we're getting a bit peckish, so I think it's time to call it a day. We've had a good run. Hope you've liked the photos. As ever, please click the like button if you've enjoyed this video, which I really hope you have. If you'd like to see more of them, well, there's the subscribe button down there as well, and if you click the little tinkly bell icon, you'll get a notification when I put new videos up. Thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate the time that you spend watching these. I hope you appreciate the time that I spend in putting these together, because apart from the filming, there's probably a day and a half of editing going into this. There's an awful lot. If you've enjoyed it, please just hit the like button, subscribe and share it, make a comment, put something down below, and if you're really enjoying it, there's a link down below to buy me a coffee. Thank you very much indeed, and we'll see you on the next one.